channel. This is Shrestha here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you all my daily morning skincare routine. But before that, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. So the first thing I do in the morning right after my sleep is to rub an ice cube all over my face and my neck area. It reduces dark circles, cures acne, cleanses skin pores, and also improves your blood circulation. So if you want to get that healthy glowing skin, please do not forget to apply ice cube in the morning. Next, moving ahead, in shower I use this BIOTIQUE cleanser. It's an oil control foaming face cleanser. This purges your pores and also purifies your skin complexion as well. Right after using this product, you will instantly feel the difference of your before and after look. Next, I use this Pore tightening toner from BIOTIQUE. This tightens your pores, also bring your complexion to perfect pH balance, and helps the skin in its purest form for a longer period. Next, I use this BIOTIQUE Bio Coconut Cream. You can say that it's one of my favorite secret I'm sharing with you all. This product is so good. It brightens your skin as well as also lightens the dark spots you're having on your skin. I just love this product. So these are the 3 products I use in the morning to keep my skin healthy and glowing. So if you like my video, do like, share and comment below on the comment section and let me know your thoughts. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram by the link given below in the description box. Hit the like button if you like my video and share among your friends. I'll be back with a brand new tutorial. Till then, love you guys. Bye bye.